Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA, and today I have another product to demonstrate for you today. Shine Armor. This is a Shine Armor Spray Wax Quick Coat. It's $19.95 on their website right now. If you stick around for the end of the video, I'll give you a discount code and a link in the description where you can purchase this or any of the other Shine Armor products. Let's go ahead and roll the video.
You think you know me?
Okay folks, this is the Shine Armor Spray Wax Quick Coat. I also received 2 of their polishing microfiber towels. You can buy this for $19.95 on their website currently. You can also buy 20 of these cloths for $17.95 currently on their website. This is a fast-acting wax, leaving your vehicle with a glossy finish in under 15 minutes. It will leave no residue. It won't grab fingerprints or anything. Let's go ahead and demonstrate this on the vehicle. Obviously, doing this without actually showing you how it works will not really be a good review. Folks, we got a nice sunny day. I already washed up my 2022 Ford Maverick Hot Pepper Red. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate the Shine Armor product on it now. What they recommend is you spray it directly on one of their towels. Wipe the area down really good and do it in 3x3 sections, and then take the other microfiber cloth off and really quickly wipe it off there. You do not have to leave this on here for very long. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate that. Like I said, folks, they recommend you spray a bunch of it on the microfiber towel and do a 3x3 section of it at a time. Or if you really want to, you honestly could spray this on the surface. We're going to go ahead and do it how they recommend it for the video though. We're going to go ahead and spray quite a bit on here. Like I said, I'm going to do half of the hood. We'll just start a little line right here. Start waxing that in there a little bit more on there. We'll go ahead and polish this section up, and then we'll get the other section done too. See how much of a difference it makes. They said to do a 3x3 section, but to speed up the video a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and do a larger section. I'll even spray some directly on there. I don't see why it would hurt it, honestly. Get this whole hood covered up. Work that wax in there a little bit. Said you probably don't need too much. I tend to be a person that overdoes stuff sometimes, but we'll go ahead now. We'll put the Shine Armor down. We'll take the clean microfiber towel now and wipe some of this off. I'm already seeing, based on this, it's really shiny. It looks a lot better than it did because I actually hand washed this earlier and let it dry really good. I've never actually waxed this vehicle before. Like I said, I haven't had the time in the 2 years I've owned it. I'm always busy. All right, folks, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it very good. It is very sunny out here today, and this paint is naturally shiny to begin with. I really like this product. It did shine this up a little bit. There are some small scratches in here just because this thing hasn't been waxed really good in a long time. Like I said, I don't have time to spend doing it. That's why I like a product like Shine Armor for this. I did notice when I was putting the microfiber cloth to the surface, it feels like the surface is a lot smoother and cleaner actually, which is really nice. So you know you're putting a protective coating on the surface. It's going to be a great thing. And even though this bottle is not the biggest bottle on the market, this will cover the whole vehicle more than once. I really like this Shine Armor product. And of course, folks, don't forget, you can also use this on your motorcycle. It's not just for cars. Another vehicle I haven't had time to put a lot of time into waxing and polishing. I'd rather ride than clean, but sometimes it's good to get out here and take care of your vehicles. All right, folks, thanks for tuning into my video. Just a quick demonstration of this Shine Armor product. They have several products out there that you can choose from for cleaning inside and outside your vehicle, waxes, polishes, etc. Everything you would need. They also sell the cloths, they sell oil additives, all kinds of stuff. If you use the discount code cdl20, you get 20% off in the link in the description. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully I'll be able to do some more Shine Armor videos for you soon. This is a really nice product. I really enjoyed using it. Really quick. Somebody like me that's very busy, I don't have time to polish my vehicle all the time. And of course I have several vehicles, so that's a lot of work. This takes a lot of the work out of it. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.